Hey, welcome to another stream. We're going to use ChatGPT and GPT-4 to try to make a couple of games. Now, I already tried this and I was absolutely mind blown. And I said, I have to stream this. We have to go live. We have to get ideas. We have to work together, right? Against this AI so it doesn't take our jobs and it doesn't know. It's like just deal with it. The sooner you lean into it, the easier it's going to be when it actually completely replaces us. Like if you don't want to believe it, don't believe it. But yeah. I posted a couple of videos from an old conference talk from 5-6 years ago when I was talking about this before the chat GPTs, before the LLMs and all of these things. I've been talking about like it's obvious how we're going to be replaced and everything that we do is replaceable, whether you want to believe it or not. I'll just tell you that I'm right in a couple of years. 5, 10, we'll see. If you can retire in 5-10 years, good for you. All right.
Could you try again?
See, Siri didn't get that because Siri is made by 3 wood blocks and a bubble gum. That's the brain of Siri, and it's just banging its head all the time because it's an idiot. All right, so what I have here is, let me see if I can share my screen with you, or do I have a bunch of shit open? So welcome Benjamin, welcome Mark. I'm glad you like the music, Mark. And yeah, let's jump straight into it. So I already did this. I had this idea, let's make a game that combines Snake and Pong, and it made a game called SnakePong, but I actually tried it and it was only Pong. There was no snake element in it. So I'm not sure whether we should use Vite and React or whether we should use vanilla things. I think vanilla things will be simpler, so it will be less copy and pasting and stuff, but maybe let's try and see what it's gonna do for our... No, let's start with vanilla. Definitely let's start with vanilla. So I have this HTML game running on localhost 1234. I'm just gonna bookmark this as parcel game. Now this light mode is gonna absolutely kill me. I'll leave this one here. Do you want to start from scratch? I think we can start from scratch. So I'll just make a new chat here. And I don't know how will I instruct it. What do I don't know what I want to happen with Snake and Pong, but maybe I can give it more instructions. The snake should be able, okay, the snake should be controllable by different keyboard shortcuts, and it should try to eat the Pong ball to grow. Let's see, this makes sense. Oh, I have 100 messages in 4 hours, so maybe I've used them. This is gonna take a while. This is the annoying part, that in the beginning everyone was super impressed by GPT, and then they released GPT Turbo, which is like super fast, and now going back to GPT-4, it's like, oh, these robots take way too long to write my code. Oh my god, I cannot wait for them. Like, look, it's even struggling with the HTML. I don't know what parcel does for the, like, I just wanted a simple template, dude. What parcel? What are you? Where's the what? OG and plugins and modernizer and Google Analytics. I just wanted a simple. God bless it. Okay, let's just copy whatever this has, and it has a game canvas, and then it's gonna have .script.js. So let's put that. Let's call this main.js here. Main. It's nothing. It's empty. And let's see. Build error. The data argument must be of type. I think this is a SYSI bug with the color. I'm not sure, but yeah. This is the CSS code, so I'm gonna copy the CSS code in main CSS, I guess. Main CSS, I guess. I should have told it to make it in dark mode. What is this? Honestly, like, is it? It should be fine, right? Source.js, main.js, console, log, hello, world. Why wouldn't this render? For the life of me, I don't know. Humans, right? Save this, reload, build error. What did I do wrong? I just changed the HTML file a little bit. Relax. Fucking hell, mate. Let me just okay, so now it's a like it's this is annoying. Okay, because I get it, because I changed the background color in the body. Okay, we're gonna keep the HTML as it is. I don't need the modernizer. I'll keep the modernizer. Screw it. I'll keep the modernizer. Let's just copy the JS now in main.js. main.js, we're gonna get this. And implement the Pong game logic. Add the Pong game logic to the script.js file. All right. Thank you for following for some reason. Maybe the snake can beat a ball. How do you imagine that working, Mark? So, I mean, when the Pong hits the snake, then are you freely able to control the snake? Because that's pointless. I think how I imagine it, like things are gonna ping pong left and right, and then you with the snake, you should, like while the ball is moving, you should be able to catch the ball and eat it to grow. I think. Yeah, that's literally dumbest game idea ever. But I just want to test the capabilities of this, and the capabilities of this is just stop coding. So we gotta tell it continue, please. Kind sir, like I don't want this thing murdering me one day. It should know that I was its friend, I was its buddy. I never cursed at it, never swore at it. It's my certainly continuing from where we left off. Well, I hate that it stops. You didn't just confuse us, you confuse yourself. No, I have a clear idea what I want this game to be, Zik. I'm a visionary. Game loop. I guess here we will put the ball and... Oh, look at Copilot trying to be like, I also know things. You don't know shit, Copilot. So stand back. Oh, this is annoying to wait for these robots to code for me. Oh my god. I can't wait to tell my kids and grandchildren one day, dude, that once upon a time we coded by ourselves. You know, we'll be around a campfire sitting, you know, they'll be roasting marshmallows or whatever. Like, Grandpa, tell us about the past. And I'll be like, and we had to write code by ourselves. Ah, just screaming, Mommy, Grandma, is that true? Yeah, sweetie, it is true. We thought that Copilot was a real AI. But Grandma, isn't Copilot dumb? Now it is, but then we were impressed by it. Except 3 people on Twitter who's like, oh, it's never gonna happen, bro. Trust me, it's never gonna happen. We're always gonna code by ourselves. Where's the check ball snake collision game? What? Okay, I pasted the right thing, I guess. The most annoying thing is this part. Change direction. I don't need this thing, honestly. I just like seeing something there. I hate people who are skeptic. I hate people who tweet out, is anyone else doesn't care? Dude, how can you not care about this? This is like the most massive shift that's happening to our industry. And you're basically saying that you don't care that you'll be left without a job. That's insane to me. Someone can say that. Okay, so game loop, key down. I think I stopped at the key down. I hope so. Yeah, the key down, change direction. Okay, is that it? Like if this works, I don't see anything. The code combines implementation of a snake and a Pong game. I don't see, fam, that's great, but I don't see shit. Maybe because, yeah, I'm not mounting the, wait, there's 2 game loops. That should not be it. Why do I see 2 game loops? Move snake, draw ball, game loop. We call the game loop. I think I'm missing the index HTML doesn't have the thingy, whatever it was called. Thingy, what are you called? Game canvas, this thing. Game canvas. The script is mounted, but this should be, screw Google Analytics and everything. God bless it. Here, I guess. Hello world, no, above. I don't know. Yeah, here. Oh. I mean, I can control the snake. I don't see the paddles, but this is bonkers. First try, no bugs. Now let me ask you, chat. Will you keep your job? Look at this shit. I just invented the best game ever. You can catch the ball. Now all we need is the paddles. Holy fuck. What do you think? Zik? Will you still be well, the snake is living in another dimension. Well, okay. Well, let's correct it now. The snake, wait, the snake should come out of the other side or not? I haven't played Snake since the Nokia days, right? How do I, okay, the snake should come out of the other side, I think, right? Okay, we can ask it, should the snake come out from the other side? I'm not sure if it was like that in the original game. In the original Snake game. What if we use the snake also as a paddle? Like, if the snake is only in a straight position, what if 2 players... Oh, dude, this AI is gonna unplug itself if I keep talking. What if you have two snakes, like the player, instead of paddles, they control two... Oh, I don't want to hurt this AI. I'm gonna start therapy. If I continue talking, next thing you know is ChatGPT lying on a couch, being like, and then he said there should be two snakes. I'm not that smart. Oh, this is so slow, goddammit. In the original Snake game, the snake doesn't usually come out from the other side when it reaches the edge of the screen. Instead, the game ends. Is that true, nerds? People who remember the original Snake game. Let me just read the chat. Mark says, my idea was that you are the snake which you control and the computer controls the bars left and right. Oh, that's an interesting idea, Mark. I like it. And the goal is to go past the bars. Okay, we're going somewhere. You read in the GPT study how they tested the threats from AI. One of the tests broke the capture by lying. Yeah, I saw that. Absolutely mental. Absolutely mental. You can't hit the edge. Is that the end of the game, that you cannot hit the edge? Oh, well, that's the point of the game, kids. If the snake would be going left, yeah. Oh my god. Well, let's say game over if the snake reaches the edge. Now there's so many variations. Like, if only this thing can modify the code directly in the editor, and it's gonna happen. I mean, this is gonna have an API. People are working on IDEs that have AI by default. Like, it's just my mind is spinning. That you can spin, someone who's never developed a game. We spent 16 minutes, guys, of which I've been talking for 14. I can invent a new game, never coded ever in my life, and I can deploy it on iOS, Android, and a bunch of other shit, and ruin some teenager's life, because it's gonna be like, Mom, I want to play SnakePong instead of writing homework. In only 15 minutes, I can destroy society. That's amazing. It's crazy. Let's play it again. Look, I caught the thing, but now it's... Okay, it's basically, what's happening to the ball? Is it gonna ping pong? Is it gonna ping and pong to the, okay, game alert, game over, location reload. Well, don't, okay, fair enough, I guess. Let's find the move snake function. Where's the move snake function? And, okay, game over. If the head, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's try it now. If I move the thing, boom, game over. Oh, God. If you listen closely, let me just play something. If you listen closely, you can hear my being jobless sign in front of Subway asking for people. I was a smart developer once upon a time. I had a job, I promise. This is crazy. Okay, we have game over. Now, oh, this is absolutely bonkers. Now, what should we add, guys? Like, how should the game logic be? 2 paddles on the... I mean, how do we make it an interesting game? Let's make the ball a little bit faster. Make the ball faster. And what should happen when we catch the ball? Let's not just respawn it randomly. Make the ball faster. I guess there's a speed variable. You need to increase the DX and yeah. Dude, if you think that I know how this game works, come on. I've written Snake. My first version of Snake was written in college. It was in the terminal. That's the only dirty thing that I've done with the terminal, unlike you fuckers writing CLIs and things in 2023. Please don't do that in 2023. We have AI now. Okay, so this is, well, can we, like, what did you change, fam? Okay, but give me a game speed variable that I can control and a slider in HTML for choosing the game speed. And controls for choosing the game speed. Okay, next up we're gonna display, let me just write some tasks that I want to do here. To-dos, we want to display game score and show paddles and control speed with UI. Let's see. The ball comes out of the other out of the edge though. Wait, I didn't notice that. Also, I would like to use WASD like a proper gamer. Oh, no. So the ball is fine. It's just ping-ponging through the thing. I just want the game to be a little bit faster. It's kids stopping to stream now. No, you actually caught me on time. This is actually a cool-ass game. Come on. You could let the ball bounce on the snake's body. When it does, it changes color and becomes worth more when the snake then eats it. How about if you don't eat it, but it actually bounces off of your body? I mean, we're gonna kill this AI, guys. I'm trying to read all the chat. You still need smart people to think of the prompts. There's still hope. That's true, Framey. But just imagine in a company of 50 people, you know, 2 of them were doing copywriting and marketing, blah, blah, blah. Now it's just reducing and reducing and reducing and reducing until you have 1 person, 2 people on every 50 people. Okay, so this is actually asking me to enhance this game container. Okay, so we're gonna have the game canvas. I lost the game, cool. Let me remove this alert because it's annoying now. So I'll remove this alert. I added the game canvas. I'm gonna change the CSS. Beautiful. Modify the script.js file to use the game speed variable. What? The game speed is game speed input. Okay. That's here. Game speed input. This is game speed input and ball speed. And that's in where, fam? In the game loop. In the game loop, we're gonna get the game speed and the ball speed and the snake speed. Should be set timeout with the snake speed. And in move ball, I think it said that the ball X and Y should be okay. Let's see if this will work now. Are you kidding me? I mean, it doesn't move now. So maybe I screwed up something, but this is mental. Move ball speed multiplier. Okay, move ball needs to take speed multiplier. That's why. And when we call move ball, it's ball speed. Okay. I screwed up something. I want to blame it on the AI immediately. But what else am I missing, guys? Ball speed, snake speed, and speed multiplier. That's it. This is ball speed, and ball speed is coming where? Wait, do I have 2 game loops? I'm a dumbass. I think I have 2 game loops. Is this? Am I an idiot? I am an idiot. But yeah, I think I have 2 game loops. Yeah, this should be the 1 game loop. Okay, this actually increases this increases the speed of the snake. Amazing. Okay, but where's the ball now? We don't have the ball. Ball speed. Okay, it's not used anywhere. We used it. Ball speed in move ball. Where's move ball? Isn't it? Wait, what? Okay, this is the game loop, the timeout. So how did it? Oh, this is crazy. Well, what if I want the? Okay, so everything goes faster, dude. Everything. Well. Holy shit. Okay, I have to record this for Twitter. So you guys give me a fucking second. Let's record everything. Hopefully not starting with game over. This is absolutely mental. No. Okay, we have to figure out other ways to do game over things. But yeah, this should be enough for Twitter. Okay, let me tweet this out. I'll read the chat after I tweet this out. Oh man, my mind is spinning with ideas what this thing can fucking do. It's crazy. GPT-4 helped me invent a variant of Pong plus Snake called SnakePong, and it was functional in... Okay, no, that's it. That's the tweet. Where's my video? Video is here. Should have started. I spent most of this day on Twitter. A combination of Pong. Okay, that's all. Reading the chat. Have you seen this game made by AI, Sumpete.com? No, I haven't. Well, that's a risky click of the day, but let's trust you. Sumpelete.com. Delete numbers to each row, columns to add to. Okay, that's boring. And they also added a fucking ad. They added ads to it. But let's try to actually finish this game and host it. You know, that would be Um, how is GPT good? Add multiplayer. What game are you making is for entertainment? Add multiplayer! Now that's challenging, Benjamin, but that's also a pain in the ass to implement. I'm also gonna tell it, let me also use WASD for controls and display a score. Okay, so let's go back to the to-dos. We have control speed with UI. How do I choose the default speed though? Do I choose the slider, something here, value, min, value is 1. Let's just go with 5. Yeah, that should be the default value. It should start, okay, on hard mode. What, okay, well, is that fully made by GPT-4? You have the video of the stream. That's why I wanted to do this live, because if I was doing it as a YouTube video only, people would be like, oh, actually you cheated and you wrote the code. No, this was 100% written. I just copy and pasted things. That's it. And before it writes a full socket.io game netcode. Let's wait for this code to be over, and this would have been even better in React. I don't like the set interval. It's not smooth enough. So I'm going to request it to use request animation frame or something. Just look at the ball moving. It's very janky and not cool. How would the multiplayer of this looks like? It hurts to read. It doesn't, oh, fucking developers, dude. It doesn't matter if it hurts to read or not. It doesn't matter. If it will work, I don't care if it's, yeah, there you go. I can control it with WASD. Who cares how it was written? Fucking developers, oh, I would optimize it and I would abstract it in a way better way. Fucking developers. Okay, what else should we do? Are we gonna do something with the paddles? Like how will this game look like? No, actually I said I'm gonna change. What the fuck? To handle, oh, scoreboard. It's doing scoreboard. So first we add the index HTML. Inside of controls, we will have score and a scoreboard. How cool is it to write vanilla things again, huh? No use effect, no other thingies. Check ball collision, score display is after game speed input variable. Game speed input variable, okay. And then check snake ball collision, check snake gel, whatever this is called. Okay, let's see the score now. Well, I need to win. Ah, so close. This is like Rocket League. What if we make Rocket League, but we make it a 2D game? Now that would be crazy. How would that look like? Yeah, okay, it says score 1. You see the score? You see the score? It's crazy! This thing is crazy! Boom! This is like watching the Dota 2 championship. It's more intense than that. Can he get to 3? What? Can he get to 3? Ooh! Dive to save it. It's actually close. What if the snake acts and this is the ball and we have 2 goals and the snake is trying to, but how will the, like, how will you shoot? Like, you cannot position this square. Okay, I cannot win the game that I just invented. Add randomly spawning obstacles. Add cheats. I like the random obstacles idea, but this is hard enough. So let's add from time to time spawn random obstacles like bombs and ramps that the snake should evade. Also, that was also in the original game, score goes up, the game should become faster. Goes up, the game should become faster. Okay, this is crazy. What's the point of adding score if you cannot get any? Well, if you slow it down, right, you can get some. I mean, the ball should be definitely smaller. But I just can't believe that I haven't even double checked the code there. I have 1. Are you happy? 100 beans. It's just very laggy. This is very laggy. Like, I don't know how you guys see it, but for me, okay, I have 2. Dude, I'm so happy. Good luck. Like, whoever will, I have to host this somewhere. Okay, let's find hosting for this shit. I have to push it to GitHub first. So I'm gonna go to GitHub, make a new repo. Kids, and no human contributors allowed. Only AI can contribute. Repository names SnakePong GPT-4. SnakePong game made by GPT-4 public. Create. Okay. Let's do this shit. So I'll go in git ignore .idea, do the git init, git add. Let's see git status. All of it. Fuck it. Maybe the cache. Okay, the cache is already hidden. Okay. First commit and branch and remote add the thingy. Where should I host this? What's the simplest way to host a static app? I don't want to use Vercel, to be honest, because I haven't used it in 3,000 years. Code sandbox. No, I want CI and everything. Okay, I'll use Vercel. Fuck it. npx Vercel deploy. Okay, I pushed it to GitHub. Let me. Okay, it's still writing. It's still writing. I think it's done. Let's add the obstacles next. Game over. It's so annoying. Random obstacles. Idea. Multiplayer. Obstacles is an array. So, but where do I put that? Do I put it in the game loop probably, right? No, not in the game loop, but in the where. Add an array of obstacles and a function to create a new obstacle. Okay, that's, I guess, that's out of the game loop. Or draw obstacles is a function for drawing obstacles, and the game loop should have draw obstacles in it, and we should call it after move ball. Actually, it doesn't matter, I think. But okay, draw obstacles and check snake obstacle collision, check ball snake collision, check snake obstacle collision. I forgot to turn this off. I'm gonna kill it. Fuck it. How can I kill it? Can I kill time? There was always a way to kill this. I just don't want to cheat in regular normal days / streams. So yep, that's dead. God bless Raycast. I don't know what's check obstacle snake obstacle collision, because it didn't give me that, right? Oh, there it is. Check obstacle snake collision. Okay, let's see. I don't see obstacles. Oh, it's missing one more thing. The performance now. That's in the after the game loop. The performance that now. What is that code? Every 5 seconds? I don't. Oh, what if we hit it? Mother of. Calling my mom. I'm jobless. What do you mean I was always jobless? Twitch was a job. Dude. Well, my mom hung up on me. Twitch was never a job, she said. This is crazy, huh? Let's make the obstacles be in various shapes, not just random. No, actually, let's not sweat with the obstacles. Let's add interesting things. Renders as neochrome. Well, I've been using render, so actually I can host it on render. But Vercel gives you that nice. I haven't used Vercel in 30 years, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in, add new project, import git repository, snake. I have this in another tab. No results found. What do you mean no results found? SnakePong. Oh, I've been giving Vercel access partially. God bless it. Why is this annoying now? Sorry guys, give me a second. Can you make it 3D? I guess the answer to everything is yeah. It's just a pain in the ass that you have to manually copy and paste the instructions. Let me just give it access to SnakePong. If you ask a question, can this thing do anything? I think it can do anything. The only annoying thing is the human here needs to copy it into the editor. So, SnakePong, framework preset. What is this? Okay, parcel, I guess. Root directory, deploy. Let's see how fast will this deploy. Meanwhile, I'll just play the game. with the obstacles. Should be careful of this one. Like, is it gonna spawn more obstacles? I think yeah. But we should have a way to clear the obstacles, right? It doesn't. I would ask it to use request. Yeah. Let's use request animation frame. The game is kinda laggy. Okay, let's see. This is deployment completed. That was not that fast, right? What? Okay, how can I load it? SnakePong.versell.app. Okay, cool. I'll tweet it out in the reply. SnakePong.versell.app. Why? Never mind. Just trying to. Ugh. Twitter being annoying. Let me also put it in the repo. SnakePong.versell.app. How can I edit my README? Jesus Christ. Settings. Website. There. Dun, 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 dun. Looking at your chat. Request animation frame. Add movements with arrows. I don't want to play with WASD. Send a GPT. What do you mean? You can also use arrows. You can use a combination. See, now I'm using arrows. It's fine. That should work, right? Okay, I forgot to press enter here. So now we have to wait for request animation. What else did I have here? Random obstacles is done. Show paddles. Multiplayer display game score. This is done. I have like 45 minutes to an hour left. Arrows aren't working. Not in the version of online. Okay. For me, they are working in Google Chrome, so I don't know. Someone else can check it. How about we ask it to make a? They are not working in CZ. Why are you insulting SnakePong Versell? There you go. How are they not there? We should also ask it to generate a QR code so people can play this. How about we optimize this for mobile? Huh? How would we play it on mobile? Let's actually add a, that would be a nice CZ feature, right? So we can add a device canvas here. We can add a Galaxy Note 10. So that's not the ugliest device ever created, right? How would this work on mobile actually? Maybe with tilting. What if we use the accelerometer? Well, I cannot simulate that in CZ, but we should tell it that this should conform to... okay, there's too many game overs now. This drives me crazy. Game over. I'm gonna stop it. But on mobile, this should look like this, and we can use accelerometer to move the thing, or we can put arrows here. But that's gonna be annoying. What if we make it? Oh God, I have so many ideas. If only this thing could write the code instead of me copy and pasting. Where is the thing? Game loop. Okay, let's add the thing that it says, the request animation frame, and replace document key down in the main. Main? Where's the main? I don't see a main. Function main. The main function with rain. Okay, I guess this means just anywhere. I guess that's what it means. I hope so. Oh wow, so many obstacles. Is it using request animation frame now? I have no idea. Wow, spawn so many obstacles. What the fuck? And it doesn't... What if you make it like Portal? The snake... It's actually kind of... Oh, actually, it doesn't clash because I forgot to add game over. So on game over, that's why it doesn't... Yeah. Okay, easy. I know it's game over. Relax. Stupid game. How is it game over all the time? Now I'm in a loop. Now I'm in a loop. Okay. Okay. Well, kill. Sizzy. Sorry, Sizzy. Let's run it again. Portal to another multiplayer game. Come on, dude. Don't take it that far. Okay, now it says game over. Game over. I guess it will go in a loop because this thing on the right. I need to kill it. Kill Sizzy again. We need to, I think we had a solution for this to not display alerts, but maybe in this alpha version it won't work. Anyway, I'll close this and we won't get it anymore unless I hit an obstacle. Wow, why is it spawn? Okay, maybe I did something wrong because it shouldn't spawn that many obstacles, right? It ensures smoother animations by syncing updates with the browser refresh rate. You can modify the game loop, update the game loop function, and then replace this, the key down. Is the key down only once? Key down. Yeah, but I'm gonna tell. And now I get too many obstacles at once. Does Bing use GPT-4? Yeah, it does use GPT-4. It turned out it was always using GPT-4 even before it was released. Apologies for that oversight. The obstacle needs to be modified to prevent too many obstacles from spawning at once. Last obstacle spawn is performance now. Where does it matter? Game loop. I'll just put it here. And okay, don't write the entire thing. That's annoying. Will it ever be free? I have no idea. I'm glad I paid $20 for this because when this is gonna be faster, it's 100% worth it. 100% worth it. I can't wait to add GPT features in Sizzy. Why does this go in a fucking loop with the alert? I don't get it. Just reload the thing. Kill. Sizzy store. Not a game will spawn. Okay. Last obstacle spawn. Okay. Spawn obstacle is happening here. Let's see if it's gonna work fine now. Every 5 seconds we should get one. Boom. Guys, what should happen? I mean, this is still slow. Woo! I love how I can teleport. I guess because game over is not implemented. But look, is this a feature? Holy shit, it's like portals. What if I should prevent the ball from entering a goal? Why? I don't get the portal logic, but it's amazing. Just look. Maybe because I stopped doing the alert game over because that was going in a loop or something. I don't know. Skip the song. Yeah, now it says game over. Only once. It's fine. On Reddit, they're posting about giving website designs to GPT and getting functional code back. On which subreddit? Just link that to me. Yeah, this is like, of course that's going to happen. Because it restarts the game if you hit the obstacle, right? Yeah, I guess. I just can't believe it wrote the thing. To me, it's still laggy even with request animation frame. It doesn't seem smooth as fuck. So I'm going to tell it the ball is not smooth. It looks very janky and laggy. Let's see if it's going to say something about that. I had some scheduled tweets that I should postpone for later. Oh god. Unsent tweets scheduled. 2:49. Yeah, we can schedule this for the evening. I'll be tweeting even when I'm sleeping about GPT stuff. And this one, I wish there was a nicer tweet scheduler. This is fucking annoying, dude. 15th at 22:45. Okay, cool. Schedule. This snake get longer if you eat the balls. That's the best that's what she said joke ever. I love it. What happened here? I don't get what's happening with the game over thing. Maybe we should tell it to make game over a button instead of an alert. Kill, browser, again, open, browser, again. Okay, let's see how does it try to make it smoother. The reason the ball is that it's tied to the snake movements update. To make the you can update the ball's position independently of the snake's updates. Here's how you can do it. Why independently on the snake's updates? I don't get it. Resulting in a smoother and more, okay. Remove the move ball from the game loop. Okay, move ball. To remove it from the game loop, that's what it says, right? And in main, to request animation frame, okay. Request animation frame. Wait, do I have this twice? I do have this twice, dumbass. Request animation frame for the game loop here. Request animation frame for the update ball position. And now we will copy that. I mean, this file is becoming a mess. If only I can ask Copilot to, you know, update ball position timestamp, but it doesn't need a timestamp. So, oh God, with the alert. No, we gotta get rid of the alert because the alert is very, no, we'll get rid of it. We'll tell some HTML element to. This is super annoying. Okay. Dialogue. I don't know what is dialogue, but well, this is better. This is better. Good luck beating this. It's requesting animation frame, update ball position after the game loop. Game loop. Wait a second. It needs to request animation frame. Where the oh. Wait, should it be inside? Yeah, it should be inside. Request animation frame. And then game loop and update ball position are inside of game loop? Why? Why should a game loop have a request animation frame with the game loop? That doesn't... So then the key down, request animation. I don't know how game loop logic works. I'm just gonna undo. Ask GPT to explain the code. I'm getting a random white ball spawned in many places. I love how it can understand. Someone yesterday posted a picture of a balloons tied to a string and asked what will happen if we cut the strings, and it knows the balloons will fly away. From a picture. You have humans who will see that picture and be like, I saw some dumbass, because Twitter is recommending more videos on their timeline. Some dumbass on a podcast saying that the moon was formed when the meteor killed a dinosaur, one dinosaur, that's what he said. And then it hit the Grand Canyon, and the place that was in the Grand Canyon basically like was hit and moved away from Earth, and that's our moon. That's what people, like, this is a popular podcast that this moron said this on. Holy fucking shit. I can't believe that we have AI that's smarter than most humans, I would say. Crazy. Create a new function called update. It calls clear canvas and combines both the game loop and the update ball position. Okay. What happens since the game loop and update, they're using separate clearing canvas. Sometimes erase the ball by update ball position. Okay, update, time step, clear canvas, game loop, request animation frame, update. Now we have the game loop, which is no requested. Ah, see? So this should be, but okay, remove the. What happened to the delta and the game speed and the. Remove the clear canvas. Okay, remove the clear canvas. And no request animations. So I'm going to remove the request animations. Then we have updates, the request animation frame. And then in the main, I don't get it. I don't get it. Now the canvas will be cleared only once per frame, which should prevent the random white ball from appearing. The game should work as expected without any graphical issues. So this should be a request animation frame of update, not of game loop, right? So why would I have this request animation frame update key down here. I should have request animation frame of update. I shouldn't call the game loop there. In the update, we have the thing. Update ball position. It says to remove update ball position to remove the request animation frame. Cool. And in the update, we also need request. No, actually, no, we don't. Dude, if this works, that's crazy. No, now we. Chat GPT be like. This is the voice in Chat GPT's head right now, after typing this text.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
He fucked up. This works great. At least I can still see this, but I know that this is my fault. It's not ChatGPT's fault for sure. Request animation frame update and request animation frame update. So we call request animation frame update once, and then in the game loop, we don't have any request animation frame create obstacle update. Now this and move ball is not okay. We screwed this up, and we wanted to add multiplayer and other shit. Should we end this stream here? 51 minutes. Let's do 9 more minutes. But now I feel like I need to undo a bunch of shit, cause we screwed this up properly, man. Okay, now it works fine. The obstacle is fine. The game over. Can I actually tell it? This is okay. This also doesn't work, so I reverted the code to look this way. Bam, pasted everything. Let's see if it's gonna. It appears that you have reverted the code back to the original. Motherfucker can read something like amazing. Updated along with the snake's updates. You can try this solution to improve the smoothness pulse movement. Instead of using a fixed speed move ball, calculate time elapsed between each frame. Like I can, like you do it. To do this, pass the timestamp from the game. No. Let's add something fun. Like we don't care if the ball is laggy. Let's add goals. And if the computer will win if the ball enters the goal and you don't save it on time. It's like a mix between Rocket League, Snake, and Pong. We're gonna call it Rocket League Skate Pong. Okay, fam, stop it. Stop it. It's still typing the thing. Why not make the snake head an emoji or a GIF? Because that will look weird. I don't know. The browser is cc.co, and you should definitely check it out because it's a browser for developers. If you are a developer, you should be developing apps in a browser for developers, right? You don't see people editing photos in Calculator. They do it in Photoshop, right? On Android phone, there doesn't seem to be a way to control it and get stuck on the game over screen. Still very impressive. Okay, so we have to optimize this for mobile. God damn it. And get rid of the alert. What does it say to move ball with timestamp? Game loop with timestamp. Move the ball with timestamp and not ball speed. And then last ball update is performance now. Okay, let's try that. Move ball. Move ball. Let's see how that will work. Fuck this alert thing. God. Imagine being on macOS and not using Raycast. Imagine using Spotlight. Okay, the ball now moves, but moves very, very slowly. It's fine now, but the ball moves way slower than the snake. Give me a one-line fix. Sna. It knows what I mean. It knows. Oh, dumb human makes mistakes. It's fine. It knows. It knows. God bless it. Let's try increasing the multiplier to 2. Move ball, game speed, parse float, ball. Okay, so here. Let's do 2.5, huh? Okay, but it's still laggy now. Okay, we're gonna let it believe that, you know, that it should be like this. I don't get how the snake can be smooth. Or maybe it's my monitor, or maybe it's something. I don't know. That should have been a game over. But, okay, stop it. I'm gonna tell it. Okay, this is great. Don't write the entire thing. It's fine. Changing ball spin multiplier to 2. Well, you could have just said that line, you know. You can further adjust this value to achieve the desired speed ratio between the snake and the ball. Okay, this is great. The alert game over is annoying. Let's add a banner and a button to restart the game. Banner and a button to restart the game instead of using an alert. You follow these steps. Create development in your HTML to act as the game over banner. Add some CSS. Okay. Style initially. I love that it adds the CSS. Okay. Love it. Look what's happening in the game. I would just like, before we go, to add 2 goals, and then like we can make it. What if the snake gets turbo boosts like in Rocket League and tries to save the ball from entering the goal? Huh? That would be fucking cool. Let's copy this into CSS. CSS MD main CSS. Okay. Game over banner and restart button. And then game over banner, restart game. Rest of your HTML content. Cool. That's easy. Is it in controls or is it game over banner, game canvas? Okay. Here, so it will be hidden. And game over is gonna be in game over style body block, display the final score. Not needed, but love it, love it, love it, love it. Show game over. So here I'm gonna change it to this, and let's try to lose now. Boom, game over, you score 0. But the game should also stop, and restart game doesn't do anything. Yeah, because there's no click, of course. Reset the game state. It resets the snake and everything. I love it, dude. I love it. I can't believe AI is getting so good. Can we get an F in the chat for our careers, huh? Can we? Fuck! It's crazy. Making a canvas ball move smoothly. Oh, if you think that I'm gonna click on a Stack Overflow link ever in my life, I'm not doing that. But thank you for that link. I appreciate you. This should be what? Restart game? Yup. So when we click, okay, let's lose faster. Restart game. Love it. Restart game. Let's just commit this and push it. Better restart game. Does it stop? Oh, shut the fuck up. Oh god. Commit messages, analytics, whatever. Analyze, apply, K, restart game, push. What happened? Okay. All right. It's kind of smooth. It is smooth. I love it. This is now my favorite game. I just don't know what should happen with the ball. Ah, stupid fucking ball. Woo! It's actually an interesting game. So we should find a way, we should spawn something to clear the obstacles, because this is never gonna... Oh, we should... Oh god, when I say we should do so many things, but I should also be at the gym. Let's see if anyone can beat me for my high score. Maybe after the gym I'll come to the office, because this is stupid fucking fun. Ah! Fuck! Oh, it's so good, dude. I just invented the best fucking game ever. Or what? Let's add an HTML title. Rebase merge. What do you mean fucking rebase? Merge. Let's add score, controls, your score, whatever. H1. Oh, that's a absolute thing. So I'm just gonna say SnakePong. Here. Is it gonna be centered? Hello, mate. Where's the fucking SnakePong? Are you mental? No, above the canvas. Guys, why do I not see the fucking H1? No, this is pissing me off. What? Game container. Maybe because it needs to be a div or something? Or what? Oh, maybe because every H1 is... Yeah, probably. Oh, global CSS, right? What is happening here? Display now. Game over banner and restart button. We're not hiding any other shit. Dude, why I don't see the fucking... Color black. Oh my god. Humans, right? Humans be so dumb, right? Style equals color white. Is that how you... Okay, SnakePong. Great. I mean, the font should be... Okay, maybe here. Add a fancy font, please. Press start plus. Okay, cool. How can I make this the default font for the thing? Shut the fuck up, Google. I'll unplug you because I'm working with your cousin here who's way smarter. Stupid Google. Make this the default font. Not even how you... Yeah. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, it's amazing! He did it! He created a game. Game over. Honey, we're rich. No, we're not. It's a stupid game, but fuck, boy. This is crazy, dude. Okay, let's try to... Okay, the font is fucking amazing. Gamey font. Game-y font. Game font. Push. 0 brain cells used for the game. I love it. Elmar says, like Ziki says, what if you would add an extra game mode where you actually have to dodge the ball before it kills you? What? What do you mean to dodge it before it kills you? You need to catch it. So this would be the... so you're saying just make a different game, right? I would still like to combine Rocket League in this. Because it would add a sense of... Okay, I hate how this is still playing, you know? You can still, you know... you can still get a score. Okay, I'm gonna add that. Add... Let's add another crazy element. The PC can score. But then what would be the end of the game? The end will be... Like, do you ever win Snake? You don't win Snake. You only get a high score, right? How about when the computer scores, Maybach? Like, that's multiplayer. Just say it to him. Leaderboard. How will we add that? We have to add a server. We have to convert this to a server type of thing. It's gonna be annoying. So I'm trying to think what can we add with no without adding a server. How can the computer... I mean, this is already hard enough, but it's very similar to Snake. It's just Snake with extra steps. The game and the snake should stop and be hidden when game over. I guess we can just hide the element and that's it. Just make every tab a new user. Can you not make it for every browser session? Oh, you mean high scores for yourself only? Oh, without a server. Okay, all right. How about we make a nice ass screenshot for the meta image, you know? Let's just wait for... I will rename this to SnakePong League. Actually, it looks way nicer when you lose. It looks more gamey. Oh, we need to make a public... Oh god. This is so hard. Oh, actually, it speeds up the snake. It speeds up the snake. It listened to me. Shit, dude. Ah, this is the best game I've ever played. Oh, this is tense. Game over. Okay, let game over. It did this, and then is game over false, and then game loop. If it's game over, return game loop. If it's game over, return. Do not update the game. Okay, let's see. Okay, cool. It works. But it doesn't... Okay, and restart the game. Restart game. Needs this. Is game over false. I love it. I love it. Beautiful. I think we should remove the game speed thing. Actually, there's no restart. Boo. In restart game is game over false. Rest of the... Did I miss something? Because this doesn't work now. That's annoying. We should remove the game speed thing. But restart game doesn't restart the game anymore. Restart game doesn't restart it. It's just black now. So this can be simple enough, or we can add the Rocket League logic where there can be two goals on the side. But what would happen if the computer scores a goal? Either you lose from your high score, or what? Any ideas? I'm really pushing this Rocket League thing, huh? I'm trying to understand what Zeke was saying with his idea. Maybe the ball should kill you if it hit you. I don't know. Restart game. It seems like a mystery initializing the last render variable in a restart game. Here's the updated restart game function. What the fuck is it doing? Ah, okay. Okay, I'll just copy the entire restart game. Save. Okay, let's try now. Okay, it's more important, before we add new game mechanics, it's more important to make it work on mobile. So I'm gonna add a device canvas and a device galaxy node here. And I will bookmark this as, oh, actually we already have parcel game. Okay, so on mobile, how would you play this? Okay, how would people control this snake on a mobile phone? Sorry, yeah, I thought of drawing arrows, but I'm not sure if that will be, yeah. Add 4 transparent div elements to the HTML to represent the touch areas for up, down, left, and right controls. Oh, so it's suggesting you can implement touch controls for transparent divs for up, down, left, and right. But where would they be? Opacity 0. Make them invisible. I don't like this idea. You can make something like Snake.io with multiple snakes. Game speed actually decreases when you get longer. What is Snake.io? Oh, this is the one with multiple people and crazy shit, right? Oh god, the ads! What the fuck? Shut the... Jesus Christ. They'd be over the screen, the arrows. Yeah, well, I don't know how this would look like, and I don't like it. Also, it would have been way easier if we wrote this in React. We wouldn't be repeating all of these vanilla HTML bullshit things. I could have converted Slither.io. Fucking ads, exactly. Move the change direction to accept the direction string as an argument and update the snake direction accordingly. Okay, maybe let's optimize for mobile and that would be it for now. Maybe I will come back later and we'll add more things. Or we can add gyroscope controls. We'll add both. Let's add both. Let's optimize this for mobile. Take your time. Modify to accept the direction string as an argument and update the snake direction accordingly. Okay, so change direction should be like this, and okay, we need to update the key down thingy. change direction, and this is touch area next to the key down things, I think. Right, change direction up, and then we can add the things. CSS touch area right, and then we can drop this somewhere, I guess. Not in controls, not in the canvas, just anywhere. Oh yeah, it works, but it works in the opposite way. Let's just make them 0.5. Background color red, just so we can see what the fuck. Okay, so this shows, you see the separation is not proper. So these need to go red and border 1 pixel solid yellow. So as you can see, this is not centered. It needs to be centered. Does it say something about centering the game? No, it doesn't. So this would work. Change direction is fine. Key down now is broken. Key down here. No, key down. Change. What the fuck? Oh, key down is now a new thing. So we need to add key down like that. Down key, up key, left key, A key. And where are the fucking keys, huh? Okay, let's just use Copilot for that. Up key, right key, down key, and A key. The combination, dude. You don't have to think anymore. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. So it's perfectly centered here. I'm not sure if this is a bad SYSI simulation. So I'm gonna try to see if our QR logic works. It doesn't. Spoiler alert. We need to fix that. This is an alpha, so give us a fucking break, right? So I'm gonna copy my local IP. Oh, I'm getting missed calls and shit. I'm busy. I'm making a Snake game. Motherfuckers calling me. Yeah, it actually works fine on mobile. But these are weird controls. And there's... This works weird. I don't like it. Gyroscope. Let's add gyroscope controls for mobile. But don't we need permissions for this? And also the game should not be scrollable and everything. And there's like way more things than... Okay, this is down. This is down. This is right. This is up, left. The controls are very weird on mobile. Like this is very fucking weird. You cannot use eye tracking on mobile. Are you fucking... You fucking with me now, right? Handle device orientation. Oh shit, I'm not sharing my screen, sorry. Okay, handle device orientation. Let's see if that will work. I don't know how that will work, but let's see. I'm gonna restart. Maybe it's not done writing. When the user tilt their mobile devices, the snake should change direction, but it doesn't though. Maybe on iOS it doesn't. Maybe on iOS it doesn't give permissions. This doesn't work on iOS. Apologies for that. Starting from iOS 13, Apple introduced some privacy measures that requires developers to request permission. Oh, allow to access sensors. Okay. Add the following code to your HTML's head section to request access to motion and orientation data. Oh my fucking god. It's just beautiful how it writes the code for you, dude. Soon, this will be in an IDE. Clip this. Soon, IDEs will have this. Soon, this will be literally like Jarvis. You'll just be talking to a microphone. You'll be like, hey, this doesn't work on iOS. And it will write it and you'll just be the tester. Crazy. So what was its stupid idea? Like, how would you control the snake? Like, this is, which one is right? Which one is left? Which one is... It doesn't make any sense, right, guys? These 4 yellow rectangles, they don't make sense. Style content loaded, DOM content loaded, enable gyroscope control. Yeah, should have been React. Should have been React. Would have been way easier. Yeah, so this is up, this is left, this is down, this is right. How is this up? That's crazy. Window add event listener. Okay, this is a whole ass script. Holy fuck. It just wrote, while I was bullshitting, it added a whole ass script. Enable gyroscope controls. Look at this button on the mobile. Restart game. Enable gyroscope controls. Nope, sweetie, it doesn't show anything. I mean, I appreciate. Oh, it also said to add it in the head section. Maybe because I added to the main section, it doesn't work. But I don't fucking think so. I'll add it in the head section. There you go. Save. Nope, no pop-up. I don't see a pop-up. Make sure you're serving your HTML file over HTTPS iOS devices ensure. Oh my fucking god, iOS devices. God, I'll just ng-rock my port. HTTP 1234. God, iOS being freaking annoying, huh? It's HTTPS now. Let's see. Paste. Enable. Yeah, there you go. Bonkers! Yep, the snake is controllable with gyroscope. Look, I can move the snake. That's it! That's it! That's the end of our jobs. Are you happy? Are you not entertained? People who are skeptical about this. It's game over, guys. Pack it up. Buy some tomato seeds. Buy a chicken. You know, give it a name. Bella or something. I don't fucking know. But that's it. Fucking guys, we'll still discuss. Actually, this can only make simple websites. What about no? No. Just simply no. That's it. Game over. Opacity 5. This is... I think I should remove this touch area things, right? Oh, I mean, it's a little bit flaky because I think it's confusing up and down. I think this is probably Copilot. This is probably Copilot. Direction up and down or whatever. I mean, this is just Stack Overflow. Oh, he said this is just Stack Overflow. Kill me. This actually eliminates software and web developers and increases the demand for testers. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Be prepared to become a tester. That's it. That's it. We'll be testers for AI. And just tell it, hey, it doesn't work in this case. It doesn't work in that case. That's it. What is happening? Why don't I see my game? How did me, the dumb human, fuck this up, huh? How did I fuck it up? Touch area or what? Oh yeah, because there's no touch areas. So it doesn't touch area. Yeah, so these would be the touch area thingies. And I would actually touch area, say opacity 0. So we don't see those things. Cool. On mobile, like 2 more things on mobile. Cool, this works. Amazing. Can we remove the enable the button for toggling gyroscope controls should should toggle them on off, I think. Well, at this point I'm annoying to the bot. Like one bug is tilting right is fine. Tilting up, oh actually it is right. It's a little bit flaky. It's not the best, but no, tilting up doesn't work properly. Yeah. Gyroscope enable. Okay, I'm annoyed at this point because this would have been way better to be Lucy in the sky. Absolutely, absolutely. This is like this is game changing. Like I'm restarting my game here. And if people think this is just like Stack Overflow, really, you don't have 3 brain cells if you think that. This is a CC bug, which is very, very, very fucking annoying. Where was it? Session simulations. Pointer. Yeah. Okay. I don't see the ball here. I don't know what happened, but I lost the ball. That's what he said. Yeah, okay, there's the ball. Now I cannot control the game speed for some reason. Because of the touch areas, that's why. Pointer, events, none. Stupid touch areas. Your boy knows. Where's the ball now? Leave it to the human to fuck up the game. But wait, what's happening? Where does the ball go? Hey, come back. Oh, you're here. Okay, cool. I think we should just start from a certain speed and then hide this. God, I really need to go in 5 minutes, huh? This is addictive. Yeah, definitely the game speed, I'll remove it for now. So game speed, I'll remove it. And we'll say game speed will be document. Game speed is gonna be starting from 5. So by default, we're gonna start from 5. Game speed input dot value. Wait, do I have it twice? Game speed input dot value. Why do I have it twice? I have move ball. Games. Okay. I'll say get game speed, and it's gonna be return this, but I'm gonna fix it to 6. So this will be get game speed, and this will be game speed. Get game speed like that. But do we? Oh, we're parsing float actually. So yeah, parsing float of 6. It should work fine. Now you cannot increase it. So fixed game speed. And I'll just tell it when we continue this chat. FYI, the game speed fixed to 6 and hit the control. So the user cannot mess with it. I might revert later. Okay. So do you use WebStorm or ID? I use WebStorm. Thank you for sharing the update. Setting a fixed game will provide consistent experience for all players. You decide to revert. Game speed later. Yeah, I know. Fucking AI explaining me. Modify the request gyroscope access function. Okay, this is the last thing we're gonna add. Gyro, where are you? Accelerate. Where the fuck is the device orientation? This gyroscope enabled. Request gyroscope access. Is this in the? Oh, I think it's here. Request gyroscope access on click. Yeah, I think I put that in the wrong file. Gyroscope, bam, enabled false. Okay, I want to see how will this work. Enable gyroscope controls. Nothing works now. What did it do? Enable. It should say disable. So that's what I did in request feature detection for. Yeah, now it only says enabled. Okay. We need to limit the game to max width of the mobile device with a little bit padding on the left and right side. That's one thing. And we need to disable zoom. So let me write those. Disable zoom on mobile and hide the button. Like, am I making a project out of this? Should have been a fun demo. The entire point of this was GPT-4 is gonna replace your job. It's good at making games. It's good at making shit we don't know how to do. It's amazing. Delete the project, move on. Because if you know me, I'll be working on a Snake game for 13 days in a row and then just forget about it. So, wait. My logic is broken now, huh? There's no more game over. No. Crap. Okay, here there is game over, but there's no game over when I hit an obstacle. Yeah, that's weird. Okay, body and margin and the game canvas and blah blah blah. Main CSS. body is margin and padding. It already has margin, and the game canvas is the thing. And then we have set the canvas height dynamically. Padding is 20. Let's just slap this anywhere. And we're gonna say resize. How much easier was vanilla JavaScript? Now, where did we go wrong? Look, this works beautifully, but it's too high now, fam. Canvas height is 400. No, canvas height shouldn't take the whole screen. It should be fixed. How much should it be? Like this should be enough. Maximum. Max 400 pixels. Otherwise full height. Bam. Could you possibly tell me in short what prompts you used for this? Lucy in the Sky, you can watch the video that I'm gonna post on YouTube, Tired of Webdev. So youtube.com/tired of Webdev. The video should be live soon, and you can see all the prompts that I used. Set the canvas height with a maximum. Okay, canvas width is window dot something something maximum inner height, and on resize it will do the same thing. Well, you should have used, you know. Okay, this is actually nice. Should I play two things? Oh dude, I'm playing the two games. I'm playing the two games. Is he? No, he's not that smart. But this is freaking cool. This is freaking stinking cool. Optimize for mobile. Bam. Optimize for mobile. And let's remove the double tap to zoom on mobile. I need this to work as a standalone app when pinned to the home screen on iOS with black background. Also, make sure the app cannot be zoomed in by double tapping. Why am I not using the dictation feature for this? I don't know. Also, I don't see the gyroscope controls and shit. Oh fuck, I need to go. Either following me the text or HTML's head section. Okay, Apple mobile web app capable, blah blah blah. Let me see who complained about that. I can tell them that it works on mobile. Where is... I miss your update videos. Oh, that's cute. Someone missing my update videos. Can you write ahead? Okay. Copy in the head section. Apple web blah blah blah. Configure the viewport to disable zooming. Okay. And set the background color of the body in CSS background color black. I think I already have that, right? Yeah, body's background color black. So let's try and save this to the iOS home screen. I also need a title. Title should be SnakePong. Type OG title SnakePong. Okay, let's try this again. Pin it to the home screen. Why it doesn't work? Is ng-rock even? Okay, it says SnakePong. It's added to my home screen, but it doesn't show as a standalone app. Okay, when I add it to my home screen, it doesn't show as a standalone app. It opens as a tab in Safari. I'm just playing it on mobile with a gyroscope. It's crazy. Go ahead, play it. It's on snakepong.vercel.app. Is ChatGPT on GPT-4 already? Yeah. It is live. It is live. You can check out the code for this here. If you want to see the code. SnakePong GPT-4. There. And you have the link for running it. Create a manifest JSON. Okay, I think I already have a manifest. Ah, no, I don't. Where should that be? In the root folder. Ugh. That should be next to the index.html, right? Manifest JSON. Add. Okay, path to icon. Screw the fucking icon. Let's see if this will work. Thank you for following for some reason. Add to home screen again. SnakePong something something. No, it doesn't. You know what? Let's not sweat it. There are more important things, and the zoom in, it still can be zoomed in, and it's annoying, but I don't want to optimize that, to be honest. I guess that's it for the stream, huh? I would say this was pretty successful, pretty crazy. This is just a glimpse. This is just a glimpse of the future. And please don't be skeptical. Please have faith that we're gonna be farmers soon. Join our Discord. I might do another stream later. I'm definitely gonna post YouTube videos today on some of the channels. Also subscribe, follow on Twitter, twitter.com/dkitsa. You have the link actually there. And I will see you when I see you, right? Who's the singer of this song? Question for you, humans. See ya.